Hello everyone and welcome to Adu AI Verse. In today's world of artificial intelligence, data, and technology, information is everywhere. But the real question is, can we trust every result we see? This is where critical thinking becomes extremely important. Critical thinking helps us analyze information, question assumptions, evaluate evidence, and make logical decisions. In this part, you will learn what critical thinking really means, why it is essential in artificial intelligence, how it helps avoid bias and wrong decisions. So let's begin. In modern technology fields like artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and data science, technical knowledge alone is not enough. Students must also learn how to think logically and evaluate information carefully. Critical thinking helps professionals solve complex problems and make responsible decisions. Critical thinking is the ability to analyze information, question assumptions, evaluate evidence, make logical decisions. Let's understand this with a real-world example. Imagine an AI system that predicts loan approvals. If the dataset contains biased historical data, the AI might unfairly reject applicants from certain backgrounds. Without critical thinking, someone might blindly trust the AI result. But a critical thinker investigates. Where did the data come from? Is the dataset biased? Are the predictions fair? This is why critical thinking is essential in ethical AI development. Consider this situation. An AI model produces incorrect predictions. What should you do? Should you simply trust the output? Or should you analyze the data first? A critical thinker will always investigate the dataset, the model assumptions, evaluation metrics. For example, maybe the training data was too small or unbalanced. By analyzing the system carefully, we can identify errors and improve the model. Now that we understand why critical thinking matters, let's explore the skills that support critical thinking. In this part, we'll cover ancillary skills, underlying skills and development, shapes, self-awareness for accurate judgment, and the importance of strategies in critical thinking. Ancillary skills are supporting skills that strengthen your main technical abilities. In AI, knowing algorithms is important, but success depends on communication, teamwork, and ethics, like wheels supporting a car engine. In critical thinking, ancillary skills help analyze problems, evaluate information, make logical decisions, plan work, communicate effectively, and use tools efficiently. These skills are crucial for problem solving and teamwork. When a system is hacked, critical thinking asks why it happened and what evidence we have. Ancillary skills like debugging, database management, problem solving, communication, and decision-making are used to find solutions. Communication, teamwork, ethics, time management, and problem-solving are key ancillary skills in AI. They help explain results, prevent bias, handle complex workflows, and debug models effectively. Examples include explaining AI results simply, correcting chatbot errors, managing teamwork in data projects, and using ethical reasoning to improve dataset diversity. These skills ensure AI systems are reliable and fair. Faced with an AI model that your manager doesn't understand, use communication skills to explain it simply. If an AI system recommends unfair decisions, apply ethical reasoning to ensure fairness before deployment. Underlying skills like observation, analysis, interpretation, evaluation, and reflection form the foundation of critical thinking. These skills grow through practice, feedback, and real-world problem solving. Include examples like chatbot failure, fraud detection model, accuracy versus precision confusion. These thinking tools help diagnose errors, improve models, and avoid incorrect conclusions. They work in a cycle: observe, analyze, interpret, evaluate, reflect, and improve, growing through practice and problem solving.